Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Janisha, but you can call me Nisha like everyone else does. Today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. Also, I'm going to be telling you how I got new season Saint Laurent heels for under $400. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so let's first start off by saying these are new season Saint Laurent heels. So they came out, I believe, this year. Now I've already like looked at these and tried them on in the store, so I'm just unboxing them with you, but I already like took them out the box and everything like that. So this is the box, and this is my first Saint Laurent item, so I'm super happy. So it comes in this super thick box, really nice, really sturdy. And then I just opened the box, of course, and I already had unwrapped this stuff, but I ended up putting everything back because I want to open them with you guys. So it comes with 2 desk bags with my shoes. It has my receipt. It also has, well, I ordered these from Nordstrom first, so it comes with, you know, safe and easy returns, blah blah blah. It has my information on here. This was actually from one of the stores here in LA, the South Coast Plaza. And I actually ordered these last month, you guys, so they just literally been sitting in my closet. I ordered these October 9th, and I think I got them like the 12th or the 13th, so super quick because South Coast Plaza, but I had them delivered to the Grove. So yeah, it just has like women's designer Bianca tie strap heel and all that on the receipt, and then it also has the Saint Laurent for your authentic information. Authenticity. Okay. So anyway, so it comes with 2 in the box. It comes with 2 desk bags. These say Saint Laurent on them, of course, and I'm going to take them out of the bag, out of their desk bag, and show you guys the shoes. It has tissue paper in them. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. Y'all, do y'all see how pretty this shoe is? It has Saint Laurent Paris on the inside of the shoe, but I really want y'all to get into this shoe, okay? She is so pretty. It has my size on the bottom and Saint Laurent, made in Italy. She is gorgeous. Let's put her side by side again. And it has the bow, like, not a bow, but it has like that knot detail in the front. Super cute. And these are leather. Now let's backtrack to when I first saw these. So when I first saw these, I wasn't even going to get the black pair. Let's keep it real. The first time I saw these were September 8th at the South Coast Plaza. When I first saw these, I was supposed to get the linen ones. They're kind of like this linen material. They weren't leather, they were linen, and they were like a cream color when I first saw them. I wasn't even thinking about getting no black ones. So I'll leave pictures on the screen where I tried them on in the Saint Laurent store, and when I also like had more pictures, I was just taking random pictures, and I also wanted to know what size I was in these shoes, period. So I'll leave like pictures in the video. So when I first saw these shoes, they weren't these are the Bianca heels. When I first saw them was from a YouTuber here on. Okay, you guys, my camera like overheated, so I'm back. So what I was saying was, when I first saw these shoes, they were it was September 8th, and it was at South Coast Plaza. Now like I said, I was originally supposed to get the linen ones, and I just fell in love with the linen ones, but I was just in love with the shoe, period. So when I first saw these, it was from a YouTuber, and she had the original shoe, which is not the Bianca, it's actually called the Page. I'll try to leave a picture up here or here. The Page is actually like the same shoe, but it's actually, the heel I believe is higher, and it's actually more flared inside. So she has like the ones that you can strap up around your ankle. The shoe is kind of like the same concept, but the shoe, I'll show you guys a picture. You definitely can tell the difference, but I just fell in love with the shoe, just point blank, period. I thought the shoe was just gorgeous, both shoes, the Bianca and the Page. So when I went into the Saint Laurent store, they had told me that they had discontinued the original Page. I don't know why brands discontinue good items. It's just kind of confusing to me. But anyway, so like I said, these were retail for $895, and you guys, I got these shoes for under $400 when I went to my Nordstrom, because they were priced at, I don't know if you guys know, but about Bergdorf Goodman, if that's how you pronounce it. It is BERGDORF Goodman.com. So I think they're based in, they might have one in New York City. Let me actually look. They are, it's a department store, of course, and they have 2 locations. They are in New York City. Okay, so New York City, I don't know if I was thinking about Harrods, which is I believe in London. Okay, so this Bergdorf Goodman is in New York City. Now my Nordstrom, my SA, shout out to you, he was able to price match these shoes for me. So on the website at the time, they don't, when I pull up the link, it doesn't even show. It just says, it shows the shoe, but it doesn't have the price on there anymore. So but I did take screenshots, so I'll leave them on the screen. They were, I believe, $895. So on their website, Goodman, they're priced at $894. Scratch that, they were priced at $858. They were on sale for $858. So you know what my SA did? He was like, I didn't come in that day. I had told him, so I came in, I believe, the next day, and I was like, hey, he was just like, okay, let's go ahead and order these shoes for you. So he price matched the shoes for me, you guys. Now a lot of people, a lot of Nordstroms won't do that. I believe Nordstrom, I feel like Nordstrom customer service in store is totally different. Like, they'll say they price match to somewhere, but they say they don't price match to somewhere, I'm sorry, but they actually do. Like, they said they didn't price match to Net-a-Porter, but they ended up doing it. So I'm like, anyway, so he price matched them for $358, and I got them actually from Nordstrom because I just wanted to be safe. I had never purchased anything from a Goodman, so I don't know how long it would take and stuff like that. So why not just price match them to Nordstrom? You know they're real, one, and you know you'll get them quickly. So with taxes and everything, it ended up being $392.01. so this is my receipt. $358 flat and $391 even. So how could you not beat, like, how could you beat that? You really cannot. So I did end up seeing the linen ones on sale as well, the ones I originally fell in love with, but Nordstrom doesn't have them on their website. I could have price matched those as well, but I didn't see those on Nordstrom website. Now they only had the black ones. They have another leather pair that are like a cream color, but I was just like, no, let me go ahead and get the black ones because black is my safe bet. Now I would say that these, I know I ended up trying the linen ones in a size 10 as well, but I feel like leather is just, you know, leather is like tight. So I do have to break I feel like I do need to break these in. The linen ones, they was just like perfect. But I do feel like these, since these are leather, I do have to wear them a couple of times. But the shoe is just perfect, point blank period. Now when the linen ones go on sale and I catch them, I'm definitely gonna grab them because I'm not gonna pay full price for them because I know I'm gonna find them for cheap. But for $358, like, new season, and they're still on the Saint Laurent, they're still on plenty of websites for $895, okay? So don't get me wrong, but if I find some that are around the same price, I will leave the links down below. You know, I got you, girl. So let's just talk about the shoe a little bit. Okay, so a little information about the shoe. It is the Bianca in smooth leather. It is 100% lambskin. So the total heel height is 12.5 centimeters. It's 4.9 inches. The platform height is 4 centimeters. 1.5 inches. Is a leather sole, adjustable ankle strap, and made in Italy, of course. And I got the ones that are pure black. So let's get into this shoe, honey. Now I just can't wait to wear these. Okay, these are so freaking perfect. This is the information on the box. So a $895, and yeah, I got these shoes for under $400, y'all. And I just can't wait to show y'all all the stuff that I got, like, for a great steal. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me if you have caught a deal like this from Saint Laurent, and let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to upload more videos, more unboxings. I know you guys like that from me. I can tell you guys like that from me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.